Jacob Zuma, ever since he left the ANC, or rather they chased him out of the ANC because he still wanted to be a member. But ever since then, things haven't been good for the man. Last year they closed down his bank account. Also Shibambu, they had to fire him this year from MK. Umkhonto wesizwe is practically struggling when it comes to finances. But now Zuma faces 60-day deadline to repay state funds unlawfully used for legal costs. This man can't catch a break. And notice one thing, whenever a black politician is sent to jail or there's a lawsuit or something, corruption, usually is the DA that's sending them to court. But you can judge for your own what does that mean if the DA is the only party that's sending our black politicians to jail. But anyways, in every possible way, the DA continues to fight for the rule of law, protection of taxpayer money, and rooting out state capture, said national spokesperson Willie Ocamp. Judge Anthony Miller ruled on Wednesday, 22 October, that the state attorney is directed to have a writ of execution issued by the registrar of this court for the attachment and the sale in execution of immovable and movable and or incorporeal property of the first responder to testify the judge that, including his presidential mention benefit or portion thereof. Meaning they want to take Jacob Zuma's house in Nkandla. I think they'll actually possess Jacob Zuma's assets because 60 days to pay 29 million rands. They should just say, they should just go confiscate the assets because that's what they want to do anyways. They're just making an excuse. 60 days. Where will he get the money? Because it's not like MK is draining in cash or anything like that. They're just a struggle political party. Yes, they have the clout, but financially, I don't think they're capable of raising 29 million in 60 days.